Far away in the heart of the deep blue sea, there was a small island that no map showed. It was called Lunaria, and it was hidden by a thick mist that never moved. Sailors said the island was magical, but no one who went there ever returned. One sunny morning, a young explorer named Ella set out on a journey with her small boat. She had heard stories of Lunaria since she was a child, of golden trees, singing birds, and strange glowing stones. With a compass in her hand and courage in her heart, she sailed alone into the unknown. After 3 days at sea, Ella saw the mist. It was like a silver wall floating above the water. She sailed through it, and when she came out the other side, she saw Lunaria. The island was more beautiful than any dream. The trees had leaves that shimmered like diamonds. The flowers glowed in the dark, and the air smelled like honey and fresh rain. As Ella walked deeper into the island, she discovered that the animals could speak. A wise old turtle told her that the island had chosen her. "Only those with a kind heart and brave soul can find Lunaria," he said. Ella stayed on the island for 1 year. She learned its secrets, helped care for its forests, and made friends with creatures she never imagined. But she knew the world outside needed to know this magical place. So, with a heavy heart, Ella left Lunaria. When she sailed back through the mist, she found herself near her hometown. No one believed her story until they saw the glowing flower she had brought back. It never faded, never wilted, and shined even in the darkest night. Ella wrote a book about her journey. Many tried to find the island after her, but Lunaria only revealed itself once, only to the one it had chosen. Years passed, and Ella became famous for her story. She traveled the world, giving talks about Lunaria, nature, and the magic of protecting the earth. But deep inside, she missed the island every day. The glowing flower she had brought back was placed in a glass case in her home. It never stopped shining, and at night it would gently hum a soft melody, just like the winds of Lunaria. One evening, as Ella sat by the window watching the stars, she heard a soft whisper. It was coming from the flower. The glow had become brighter, and it seemed to be calling her. She knew what it meant. The island needed her again. Without hesitation, Ella packed her things and returned to the sea. But this time she was older and her boat was stronger. She sailed in silence, guided only by the glowing flower in her hand. The mist appeared again, just as silver, just as mysterious. When she passed through it, Lunaria welcomed her like an old friend. But something was different. The trees had lost some of their light, and the animals seemed worried. The turtle, now even older and slower, explained that the island was dying. "The world outside is hurting nature," he said, "and we are connected to it. What happens there affects us here." Ella realized that Lunaria was more than just a magical island. It was the heart of the Earth's natural spirit. If the world lost its respect for nature, Lunaria would fade forever. So Ella returned to the outside world once more, not to tell a story,